In our last video, we spoke about how you can purchase cryptocurrency on the Binance platform into your Binance wallet as a beginner. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can sell off your cryptocurrency into your mobile money wallet if you're in Ghana. And we're going to use the P2P method again. If you haven't joined the Binance team yet, there's a link in the description for you to click on to get started. And also make sure that you complete your KYC verification before you proceed to do anything else within the Binance platform or the Binance app. To sell your cryptocurrency for some cash, all you have to do is to make sure that your account is switched from light to pro. Then we proceed to the trade section, which is at the lower bottom of your device, the one in the middle. Click on that and go to the P2P section again. If you're in Ghana, this should be the main method with which you could use to withdraw some cash from your Binance wallet. At the P2P section, you want to go to the Sell tab and then scroll through the list of options on there. But before you even do that, make sure that the currency you want to purchase from is selected at the top right corner of your screen. I'll click on that and make sure it's selected. If you're in Ghana, you'd want to select Ghana cedis or GHS. Proceed to scroll through the list of endless options of vendors on there by paying careful attention to these few things. First off, you have to make sure that you are looking at the completion rate of these vendors, which should be anywhere between 70 to 100%. Anything within that range is safe for you to purchase. Secondly, you have to make sure that they are online. They should have the green online icon on there. And this is not really essential, but it's only to help you fast track the process so that you don't end up wasting so much time on the app. Secondly, you have to make sure that your payment method is what you're going to go ahead with. You should look through a list of options with which you could easily pay with and then proceed to select from that. Also, make sure that you're selecting from an agent who has a range with which you want to purchase within. And finally, make sure that very critical about the rate at which you're buying the cryptocurrency from. This is mainly because you might be a victim of going for something that looks too good to be true and you might end up losing your money. Also, never, and I repeat, never make payments outside the app. Always make sure everything is done within the Binance app. Select your agent, continue to place order, and then wait for the agent to deposit the amount into your preferred payment method. After it's deposited, proceed to go ahead to click on release the cryptocurrency. Once you click on that, you'll be asked to provide PIN or any form of authentication you have within the app to help release the crypto to the vendor. Right after doing that, you're done and you're good to go. I'm Delpy, and this is how you can sell your cryptocurrency for some cash in Ghana on the Binance platform using the P2P method. We will talk more, Charlie.